Hi everyone, it's Daniela and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a product share, like an unboxing of products that were sent to me from BeeBeeCraft, and they are sending me products for me to make things and share my projects with you using their products. All of the things that I received, the links will be in the description box, and they're a great site, really good prices, and the shipping for an overseas company was pretty fast. So let me show you what I got and let's get started. So I'm going to start by saying it was packaged beautifully. It was so well wrapped in bubble wrap that, I mean, nothing was going to get through. And I took it out because I didn't want anybody, getting upset about the noise. So I took it out of that, and I took out some of the packaging to make it not as, troublesome for some people. So everything also comes in a baggie, but this is in one of these pretty drawstring bags, and these are 4-inch safety pins, and I have some really awesome ideas for these. I have like a silver and a gold and like an antique bronze and a brass, and so I got those. I'm going to have fun with them. Then I got this is super cute. This also came in a bag, and it came with this little case. This is 30 pieces of the bubbles that we were getting at like Tuesday morning and stuff. These are 16 millimeter is the size, so they're big. If you can see, I'm gonna have to take one out. And they came with the caps to go on top. You just have to glue it on. See, bubbles, little caps to put on top. But it also came with all of these jars of star-shaped, like confetti glitter sequin. I don't know, it's too big for glitter. It's it's like sequin confetti. They're all star-shaped. How awesome. I just think it's awesome. You can fill them yourself, but you can fill them for, your favorite colors. You can make these kind of little things to put on things for a wedding if it's in certain colors, for your kids' school, to represent your children's birthstones. I mean, making them yourself gives you so much creative options, and I really look forward to playing with these as soon as possible. I just got this and I'm already thinking and thinking. So this is super awesome. I love that. Then I got approximately 100 in each packs of 8 millimeter beads, and I will be doing a bead dangle tutorial for you. These are in Halloween colors. These are in Christmas colors. And these are in like silvers, maybe grays, purples. These are like the wintry mix. I love that. Let me hold these up for you also, in case you didn't really see them that good. There's golds and pinks and reds, whites, greens. So pretty. And the Halloween one has blacks and oranges and golds, purples, greens. Really, really nice. So we'll be doing that. And you can't make bead jewelry without end caps for your beads. So I got this whole box of assorted sizes of Tibetan metal end caps for the beads. These right here, for example, as you can see, are really small for small beads. And then this one, super pretty. It's like a flower. And this is for larger beads. And there's more of like a round flower end cap. I didn't want to take all of them out. I should just take them all out and put them in the box that was given to me. But like I said, I just got it and I didn't want to wait to open it up and peek. So here, for example, let me put those in there and open up. Here's one. You can see the bead would go right in there, and if you saw it the other way, this would be what it would look like if the bead was in. You'll see when I show you how to make my version of bead dangles, which are not at all like Midge's, because she makes mine are bead dangle light and hers are maximum. So yeah, so I got all of these in all of different shapes and sizes, and like I had just said, when we make a bead dangle together, then you'll understand where end caps go and how we do that. And I have 2 different craft projects planned for my safety pins, because I think that they are super fun, and I'm really looking forward to playing with them. Here's this type of, see, you put your bead in there, and if you see it from the other side, then you can see the flowers. So, the flowery swirliness. So yes, this is what I received, and I'm anxious to get started. So keep your eyes peeled for a tutorial video coming from me on making bead dangles, and then another video on what I'm doing with these safety pins. So thank you so much for watching. If there's anything you're interested in seeing, everything will be in the description box, all of the links, and I hope you're excited about what I'm going to make and excited to see what you can find in the store. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.